Dear students, in the video we are going to see about the SQL order by min and max statement. Previous video we have seen about the select statement. SQL select query statements allam paathom. So adliye we are going to see about the select statement. We are going to see about how we are going to use the order by class and then the min and max function. As a structured query language select is a main query language which is used to get or retrieve the information from the tables. So we have seen up to the fourth question. So now we are going to see about the group by class. So for the group by class, the given example is write a query that returns all departments and their aggregate salaries. So what do you mean by aggregate salaries? Department wise, we are going to find out how many how much amount of salaries spent for the each and every department. That is called as an aggregate salaries for the department. So for that we are having the order by class. So now we are going to give the query select. Yes, we have to select the department and then the salary. Yes, we are not picking only the salary. Department wise we are going to picking the sum of the salary. So for the aggregate we are using the function called as sum and then the open bracket, and then we are going to give the salary and then the closing bracket is from which table? It is from the same table salaries, from salaries. Yes, and then we are going to use the group by class here. So then only it will group department wise, otherwise it will give the wrong answer. So the group by which field, that is a department wise, no? So that now we are going to give the department over here. Now we will execute the query execute பண்ணீங்க அப்படினா so it's giving the department wise aggregate salary. So for the anthropology, biology, chemical engineering, computer science, etc. up to the Spanish. So here that is executed, already executed query is also correct, and then our result is also correct. So that is a group by class. It's a group by class is using that is it's our executed query and then which is the previously executed one. So both answers are correct. So our query is also correct. That is our order by class is used for is a department wise. Otherwise, if you want to give roll number wise or the name wise, means you can use the order by class. Okay. And then the next one. Next question is how we are going to use the max function. What is the max function? The maximum. It will find out the maximum. For that, you are having the function name called as an max. So what is the question is given? Write a query that returns the name and salary of the professor with the highest salary. We are going to pick the name of the professor who is getting highest salary. So name of the person, that is the name of the person is, that is we are getting it through the column name called as an professor name, and then we are going to get the highest salary. So how will you get the highest salary? Using the max function and then the max of salary. So it's a very simple function. So only it requires the max one, and then again it is you are going to select it from same table name. What is the table name here? Salaries. So you are getting the professor name and then the maximum salary from the salaries table. So when you are going to execute it, yes, it's correctly it's giving, that is you are getting the maximum amount, the person who is getting the person, the professor name is also given, and then the person is getting the highest salary among all. So that is how we are giving that particular thing, how we are getting the particular thing using the max. Yes, easily you can answer for the minimum. Yes, so if you want to pick up the minimum salary who is getting, is how will you calculate? Using the min function. The professor, யார் ப்ரொஃபஸர் வந்து எந்த ப்ரொஃபஸர் மினிமம் சேலரி வாங்குறாங்க அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம கெட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, instead of the max you can use the min function. Here that is you can see that is it's giving the second one executed query வந்து maximum salary கொடுத்துருக்கு, நம்ம எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்ணியிருக்கிறது minimum salary எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். கொஸ்டின்லேயும் the same question is listed out there under the question 9 is a lowest earning professor கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So when you are going to give the same thing, it will give the same thing which is executed previously. நம்ம ப்ரீவியஸாக நம்ம எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்ணி பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் ப்ரீவியஸ் கொஸ்டின் நம்பர்லேயே, அந்த கொஸ்டின் நம்பர்லேயே it will execute it. ஸோ அந்த கொஸ்டின் நம்பரில் என்ன எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்ணும், that is it will execute the maximum salary and then the minimum salary. So the maximum salary வந்து that is யார் எந்த ப்ரொஃபஸர் earn பண்ணுறாங்க, and then the who is getting the lowest salary அப்படிங்கிறது இந்த கொஸ்டினில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So the select, we have to select the professor name, select the professor name, and then the minimum of salary. So minimum of salary கொடுத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா it will gives the who is earning lowest salary. It will display the professor name. It's a professor name and then the comma minimum salary from table name is a salaries. When you are going to execute it, it's giving the same answer, the correct answer is executed query is also giving the same, and then we have executed now that particular query is also the same answer. So the answer is correct here.